Have you moved your Integromat account to Make account? So if let's say you haven't upgraded from your Integromat account to Make account and you're totally clueless on how the upgrade process for the Integromat to Make account looks like, so in this video I'm going to debunk to you in step by step. Stay tuned to the end. So welcome back to my channel. So if let's say you haven't signed up for the Make account, feel free to sign up at this link over here, right? So now let's get to it and show you how it looks like when you are upgrading from Integromat account to your Make account. Alright, so over here I already just go over to the Integromat and click the button to upgrade to Mate, and you will then be brought to 4 different processes. And step number 1, step number 2, and step number 3 is pretty easy. You just need to read and click next. Alright, there is nothing much to prepare. So right now I'm actually at the step 4, which is the migration process. As you can see, what the Make and Integromat is doing is that they are actually taking in all my scenarios in Integromat and then moving it to the Make platform. So right now it's at 100%, which shows that the migration is successful. So what you need to do is just go over to check it out and just click the purple button, go to target. So what Make is doing right now is to create the exact organization that appear in Integromat is blue color and move it everything the same, your organization created and all your scenarios created, and move it to the purple color Make. So I have about 25 to 30 scenarios to migrate, so it actually take me about 1 minute I think at top, and they are creating my scenario successfully and show it over here. So everything is pretty simple. So what you need to do next is just to fill in the payment details in Make, and do not worry, they will not bill you twice. So I've tested it, and once you put your payment details in Make, they will actually stop the payment in Integromat as well. So what you need to do next is to check all your scenarios, and I can't believe it is so duper simple, and the entire process only take me less than 10 to 15 minutes. And I hope that this is helping for you, and you can click my link down below to join the Make. And yes, once you follow the steps of upgrading from the Integromat account to Make account, you just follow through the migration process, and it's pretty easy and pretty straightforward. And lastly, the last step upon here is what you need to do is just go over to your Make account, update your payment details, and please do not worry, when you update your payment account in Make account, automatically your Integromat account will be actually deactivated. And I also check my scenarios all hosted in Integromat account is being turned off, so that there wouldn't be any double work being done by Make account and Integromat account. It is totally safe. So what are you waiting for? You're just a button away from upgrading from Integromat account to your Make account, and the entire process only take me less than 15 minutes to complete it. So if let's say you have started your automation process by using Make and you haven't done so, feel free to sign up a free freemium Make account. I believe they will give you like a free trial using this link, and this is my link. And if let's say you love this tutorial, feel free to actually comment down below or to subscribe to my YouTube channel for even more tips, and YouTube will then recommend this video to even more people out there. And also, not to forget, if you've been loving my videos and you want to check out my latest information, you will love to know what are the software that I love to use in order to get more leads and more clients automatically. Okay, so just go over to join my Facebook group, which is at www.amazingstar.co, and look forward to see you guys in the next video then. Take care, bye!